Hello student of class 7. As you know, I am Abdul Rashid Khan here, and the chapter 1 exercise and assessment which is conducted by the LVM Public School, I have to go through the way. For the assessment and exercises we will have to do, that is question number 7 from a very short question answer. You will have to see here is given some different type of a form: photosynthesis, sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water, minerals. These are given, and on that basis for the above passage, here is a fill in the blanks given, so we will have to put in them the right answer, in which first is given as it is available in a plant, that is what? Chlorophyll. क्लोरोफिल हमेशा प्लांट के अंदर रहता है, क्लोरोफिल. नेक्स्ट आर अवेलेबल इन द सॉइल. सॉइल के अंदर क्या रहता है? मिनरल्स एंड वाटर. मिनरल्स एंड वाटर. नेक्स्ट है अवेलेबल इन द एयर. एयर के अंदर अवेलेबल रहता है क्या? ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Available during the day. Available during the day. Available during the day. The light. And here is diagram given alongside and label it has to be. Here is diagram given, you have to fill it. I'll show you again. This is given in that form, and here is 3 stomatal opening, that is the opening of stomatal opening, and the second one is guard cell. This is about guard cells. So you can write down in that manner. Here the figure given on that purpose. And next one is what given as short answer question. And short answer question, in case of a short answer question, you will have to write down the question number 1 given as, what is this? This is about why do the organism need to take food? Organism need to take food because energy is needed to perform daily life activity. So they life activity. That's it. क्योंकि हमेशा एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है और एनर्जी कहाँ से हमें मिलता है? फूड से मिलता है, इसलिए फूड रिक्वायरमेंट होता है किसी ऑर्गेनिज्म के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट आर द इंसेक्टिवोरस प्लांट एंड गिव 2 एग्जांपल ऑफ इंसेक्टिवोरस प्लांट. Insectivorous plant, as you know, insect means the insects, the plant which get food in the form of an insect, that is called as the insectivorous plant. You can say green plant which obtain their nourishment, it is the green plants which obtain their nourishment. Green plants which obtain their nourishment from the nourishment partly from the insect, partly from the soil and atmosphere. Soil and atmosphere. And partly from small insects and partly from small insects are called insectivorous plant. You could only write these statements too. No need to write that one. Why? Because it is a short answer question. So you have to write down only these things. You can write that one also, but you could write this one in a form. The organism completed their nourishment by small insect are called insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plants. You can write down in that manner too. And next is question number 3. Question number 3 is given. Okay, here is 2 example. These 2 examples. Pitcher plants. Pitcher plants and Venus flytrap. This is the 2 example. Move on to the next one. Next one is how does the pitcher plants trap an insect? Pitcher plant. How does the pitcher plant trap an insect? In a pitcher plant, the leaf is modified into the pitcher-like structure. You could write this. In a pitcher plant, the tip of the leaf form a lid that can open and close. The tip of pitcher plant. The tip of the leaf have lip that opens and close. That open and close. The mouth of the pitcher. Mouth of the pitcher. Inside the leaf form a leaf that can close and inside the pitcher there are hair which are directed downwards. And hair present in a downward form. Then insect on the leaf help to move inside and lift it closed. This is how pitcher plant use insect. That's it. That's all about it. Next question. Next question is, what are the total and a partial parasite? Give some example. Parasite. What are the total and a partial parasite? Parasite. All parasite plant feed on the other plants as the either partial or obtaining some of their nutrition from the host or total parasite. That is dependent completely on the host for nutrition. So write it down. Partial parasite. Partial parasite are those all parasite plant feed obtaining some of their nutrition. These obtain some of their nutrition from the plants as partial parasite. Next, total parasite. Total parasite is what? Total parasite, the dependent completely on the host for their nutrition. It is the parasite which completely dependent completely nutrition. This is all about the parasite, that is a partial parasite and a total parasites. Sorry, parasites, partial parasite. That's all about the question number 3, I think. 3 or 4. Yes, question number 4. Example. What are the examples? We'll have to write down the examples too. As example, partial as a mistletoe. It is mistletoe. And total parasite, in case of a total parasite, is a daughter, Cascuta. Daughter or Cascuta. This is all about parasite. Total parasite and partial parasite. Next is question number 5. What is the importance of photosynthesis? Importance of photosynthesis. Importance of photosynthesis. Importance of photosynthesis, you can write down. The 3 things are there. It is the most important biological process on which all living organisms depend. Importance of photosynthesis, in which you will have to write down it is most important biological process on which biological process on which all living organisms depends. Next, first point. Second point is the process maintain the balance. This process maintains the oxygen balance. Next is point number 3. It provides us. Third one. It provides us oxygen for breathing. Oxygen for breathing. This is all about the importance of the photosynthesis. And if you have any doubt and queries, so you can go through the inbox and send me the message. You can comment the message. Thank you. We'll watch the video and carry on your teaching at home. Study about more and more, and if you have got confused or anything else, you want to ask me, direct contact to me in a comment box, and you can find out the queries and problems, the solution of these particular type of